Hello guys, welcome to Superviral Reviews. Today we are going to talk about Yacht Titan, and if you want to get this you can go by clicking on the link given below. Learn step by step how to earn massive commissions with YouTube affiliate marketing. Get started. This training will teach you how to create and optimize a YouTube channel, research and find profitable niches, discover hot products that sell fast, understand how people search and buy, find keywords that buyers search for, make videos that convert into sales, rank your videos at the top of YouTube and Google, create, optimize, and upload videos, make proper thumbnails for your videos, understand rankings in YouTube and Google, use strategies that work in 2022, easy to follow for beginners. Advanced strategies to skyrocket your results. Learn methods that work in 2022. Learn how to start and optimize an affiliate YouTube channel from scratch. Learn how to research keywords and niches. Learn how to find profitable affiliate products to promote. Learn how to rank videos on YouTube and Google. Learn how to create videos that convert into sales. Learn how to scale up your results for huge profits. Start earning huge affiliate commissions when you promote products using these proven strategies. These powerful methods bring us consistent daily sales, resulting in commissions like these. Learn the exact methods we use to rank affiliate videos to the top. Rank big, bank big. Get an exclusive over-the-shoulder look at how we rank videos above the competition fast. You'll learn the exact strategies that work to blast your videos to the top of the search results. Discover our secrets to dominating the rankings even with a brand new channel. 100% beginner-friendly, step-by-step training that's easy to follow. Pull in huge amounts of free traffic, no paid ads needed. No paid ads. No need to show your face. No experience necessary.
If you are interested. So why you waste your time? Get instant access now. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for more information. Sign off.